Okay, we're gonna do a little tour of the boat here. That's Micah Penn at the helm.
Yay!
Driving it like she stole it. We got Val. There's little Val in the back. We're towing Val down to Mudge because we gotta go ashore when we get there. It's riding nice. I suppose I could pull her forward a little bit and let it ride even nicer, couldn't I? But anyways, we got the full main. Looking pretty good. And then we've also got our cruising Jennifer. But that's pulling pretty good right now, isn't it? I got some rigging I gotta clean up here, don't I? Okay, let's do that. Going forward. Staying low. We got the baggage here, we'll clean that up. Alright. Beautiful day in February. Okay, we're going to weather now. We had a great sail. Beautiful day. Now we're just beating up the weather. We're having so much fun. We went all the way down, and now we're turning. Yeah, as they say, what goes down must come up.
Sunshine in February.
Tell me about your day.
It's been awesome.
Good times, eh?
Unfortunately, we didn't go through Dodds with the Spinnaker. We were kind of chicken, but it was probably good too because it wasn't
Giddy. Good morning. So we woke up at 6 a.m. in the dark still, and I wasn't happy with how the boat was rocking and rolling there. So Micah and I went out in the dark and moved it so that now it's on a different mooring buoy, and fixed the bow line and everything. So it looks a lot better now. We're happier now. But we didn't get a lot of sleep. Okay, we're on the way home. Sunday morning, it's about 10:15. And we got some wind. Windy. And we decided to fly the kite now because it's windy. I'm a little nervous, so you can see we got 6-ish boat speed, and then 6-7 over the ground there. We're headed towards Dodds with some wind in our sails and boat speed. Okay, we're rolling. Make it a good one. We got some logs right there. You ready? Drive her down. There we go. Okay, Nanaimo Harbor. We're setting up for a jibe now. I'm gonna videotape this. We're right in Nanaimo Harbor. Windy. We got a little bit of action here. Gonna jibe right on the pier. Don't hit the pier now. Don't hit the pier now. Here we go. Beauty. Okay, so now let's aim it right at the Dinghy Dock pub.